Hey, this is Liam from Halftone Digital. Today I want to show you how to use the Figma community to your advantage. As you can see here, there's a lot of really great UI kits and tutorials like this auto layout playground and the Figma links playground. And also plenty of templates and great resources that you can use to your advantage. Uh, Various large companies like Microsoft, Dropbox, Twitch, and have put out and open source their design systems. For example, Uber has open sourced their design system. If I actually go here and search Uber, you'll see right here that they've open sourced their entire design system. And so this is helpful even if you don't use the UI kit. It's just helpful to see how they're organizing things and to learn from it. So the Figma community is a really great resource, and I have one template in particular that I've been loving lately that I want to share. And if I can think of any others after this video, I'll try to link them within the post. So in order to get into this community, you can see right here that it says beta. What you're going to need to do is actually sign up for it. So what I have here is another tab where I'm logged out, and if you just Google like Figma Community Beta, let's try it out, Figma Community Beta. So you do this, and then you just click the first link, I believe, and there will be something in the top right that says this is the Figma community, create your own plugin, etc. So then what you do is just click join the beta. It'll open up a Google form, and then you'll just enter in your information, your Figma account, and all of these other questions. And once you do that, it should be fairly simple to get added. It seems like from what I've seen from watching some of the Twitch live streams from Figma, they're always willing to add new people to this community beta. So it's a great idea just to sign up, and then you'll have access, most likely. So then going back, there's one here that I really have loved. And actually, maybe it's showing up. Yeah, so it's recently released by Dropbox. It has 1.5 thousand downloads. And it's this design project template. And what you can do is actually go in here and you can see that they've set up sort of just it's not even really like a UI kit, it's just a template for getting started. So you have your inspiration board, your prototype board, and you can switch these to desktop if it's a web project. And then just like your version 1, and then you have pages for V2 and V3. And then just sort of like final designs here. And a checklist of all of the states and what you should have in your design system, and sort of like even writing for like UX writing, accessibility, and so on. So really a great resource to use. If you haven't used the Figma community yet, I really recommend it. All right, thanks for watching the video, guys. Stay tuned. See ya. Bye.